Now we have not function. Not function reverses the Boolean values from false to true and true to false. Right? The syntax is not, and inside not we used to provide the logical. The parameters we have only one parameter. We have the logical. The it just asks us to provide the Boolean value or the expression that can be evaluated to the Boolean value, either true or false. It returns the opposite Boolean value, true or false, right? Now, if we just go to our Power BI desktop, here we will just write a DAX expression. I'll be just giving it the name as not function, right? And I'll write the not, and inside it I'll use Boolean, just like false, right? So I have directly given the Boolean value here. So now inside a card, I'll create a new card. Here I'll bring my OR function here, right? Sorry, not the OR function, but not function. So if I just copy the formatting and paste it here, it is resulting me in true value. Why it is true? Because not function is just changing it from false to true. Now if I just give it instead of false the true, now it will result me in false value. So this is how it works.